guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down to the Cleveland Boat Show right here at the IX Center in Cleveland, Ohio, and I love this show. By far one of my favorite shows all year long. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new information to report to you guys on, and I ran across a really interesting product, Orthodek. I'm here with Jeff. Jeff, how are you, my man?
Eric, good to see you.
Good to see you too. I love the idea of this product. Tell me a little bit about Orthodek. What does it do?
So Orthodek's a replacement for your worn out carpet in your boat, or padding for a swim platform, or anything non-slip or something you want to jazz up.
Okay, so like if I've got some teak in my boat I'm not real happy with, I can take that out. If I've got some carpet either inside or outside I'm not real happy with, I don't want to put the snap-in stuff in. I want to have a nice product on my boat that I can kind of pick the color, the design, that kind of deal?
Yeah, color is almost unlimited.
Okay.
Design, size, feature is sky's the limit.
Nice.
Anything you can think of, we can probably digitize, get it into the system, and reproduce for you. Something that would really be a custom solution for your boat.
Now, over the last few years, I've seen more and more of these types of products kind of pop up. The thing that interested me about your product is its name, Orthodek. So I never thought about this. I'm bouncing around a lot on my boat, and it puts a lot of pressure on my legs, my back, and so forth. Is there an orthopedic reason to have this kind of product?
Okay, that's actually a good segue. So, Beppo is actually a offshoot of Mat Plus.
Okay.
Mat Plus is actually in the orthopedic footwear market. We make insoles and shoe modifications and a variety of different orthopedic products. Being a personal boater, I started running across, I wanted to put some product in my boat, and the materials that we stock and use on a daily basis, I'm like, why can't this be used in our boat?
Sure.
So it does provide a little bit of shock absorption.
Sure.
It's non-slip,
Yep.
closed cell, so it won't absorb any bacteria or wine spills or bird poop.
Right.
And it's durable.
Okay.
UV protected, all that fun stuff. It's just a nice product.
Well, the one other thing that I noticed about the product as well as having orthopedic reasons, but it also, you got some wild and crazy colors, my man. You got some designs I have not seen before. A lot of people just kind of go after this and they look at what their normal decks look like and they replace it like that, but I have not seen a deck with this kind of material ever.
Right. Well, that
you can get crazy with this stuff.
That comes from the orthopedic industry. They're all color specific. They want to customize their product to be unique.
Yeah.
And we have it. And the options, the combinations are unlimited. Everything's manufactured here in Cleveland.
Oh, it is right here in Ohio.
Correct.
Nice. So if you want to go for like your more traditional wood type styling, you can do that, or if you want to go a little crazy, but you've got some additional patterns in here as well.
Yeah, scalloped.
Yeah, and it even looks like you can put all kinds of different things in there. So what's the deal? Can I just call you and say, okay, this is the design I want you to do. I'm going to email it to you. You guys produce it in that color and send it to me?
Yes, that's one avenue. So like for your boats, we try to build a library of different layouts or templates of boats.
Sure.
And as long as we have it on file, all you need to do is call us up and go, hey, I want this color and I want this design in it.
Right.
If we don't have the boat layout on file, we're happy to come out and scan it.
Okay.
Digitize it. It's a free service.
Oh, nice.
Or, depending on the location of the boat, we might just send a template kit out where you do it yourself.
Okay, so obviously we cover the whole Great Lakes with Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. You're here in Ohio.
Correct.
If I'm up in Canada, the Thousand Islands area, up in Duluth, Minnesota, you're going to mail that to me.
Correct.
But if I'm here in Mentor or Catawba or Toledo, you guys can come out.
You got it. And in fact, I grew up in Mentor.
Nice.
There you go.
And I didn't know that.
Yep.
Okay, so tell me, if I can't make it down to the Cleveland Boat Show, Jeff, where am I going to go online to find out more information about the products, how much it costs, how to get in touch with you guys so I can buy the product?
www.veppoco.com.
Veppoco.com.
Yep, or Orthodek. You could also Google Orthodek.
Do they have an orthodek.com?
It goes right to Beppo.
Veppoco.com. Outstanding. You got a wonderful product, Jeff. I wish you all the best with it, my man.
Thanks, Eric. I love it.
VepoCo.com. That's where you want to go find out more information about a great new product hitting the streets, I guess, this year. Yeah. So it's out. It's available. VepoCo.com. Thanks, guys. We'll see you out on the water.